I just whipped my neck out. What's up, YouTube? I am back with another video featuring my mini-me! Woo! What are we doing today, Chloe?
We are gonna make some cool things. First, we're gonna make edible slime. So cool.
What you are gonna need is 2 glass bowls, a big old pot of friendship, cornstarch, Starburst,
any color,
favorites actually, and powdered sugar.
We're gonna go cray-cray.
We're gonna go cray-cray. We're gonna have a sugar rush.
And if you need,
so what you're gonna do first is you're gonna need 41 ounces of Starburst favorites. Okay.
Oh yeah, I was right.
Everybody knows that the Starburst favorites are like the best flavor.
Like they're the bomb.com.
They are the bomb.com.
I'm getting
these
red.
Are the best
I'm
flavors.
getting red.
So after you had cut the bags open and dumped out all of the Starburst, 41 ounces of Starburst, we have to unpackage them and put them inside a big bowl. So we're gonna actually use the smaller bowl.
She gave you attitude. She gave you the rolling eyes.
Woo, double.
And I heard about big boy.
I don't know the word.
It's done.
Look at her face. She's like, so once you have finished unwrapping all of your Starburst, you're gonna need to get out the cornstarch and your powdered sugar. You're gonna need 1/4 cup of your cornstarch into a separate glass bowl. So you wanna hold up the cup. It's a little messy.
Yeah. Make sure you kind of wear like something not nice, kind of like that, like not the.
Okay,
You know what I mean?
1/4 cup powdered sugar. And then, or the 1/4 cup cornstarch, and now we need 1/4 cup powdered sugar. Azúcar!
That's what makes us hyper. Now parents know what makes kids hyper. And also because they're kids.
Let's scoop this in. A lot of pancakes go down in this house, so a lot of powdered sugar happens.
Yeah, we just
1/4 cup powdered sugar. So once you have all of your Starburst unwrapped, 41 ounce, and you have 1/4 cup cornstarch and 1/4 cup powdered sugar, you're gonna get a big pot, put it on the stove, and you want it to start to boil. But if you are a child, make sure you have an adult, like your Twinkie.
Mini-me.
And you get your glass bowl, you set it on top, very carefully. See? And you let them melt. There you go.
As you see, now it's starting to melt together. But you still have to wait a few minutes until it's
Completely melted all the way. Some of the colors still are blending, so it's kind of, it sticks to the glass, but you have to.
But make sure your bowl is with you because we don't want you to burn yourself.
Exactly. We're just gonna use the bowl, flatten out. If you're using on the pan, on the cutting board, you're gonna spread out all of the sugar and the powder on there very evenly. If you're using a bowl, just spread it on the sides.
Make sure it's flat. Make sure
nice
it's flat.
and flat, yeah. Thin it out all the way up a side. So you're gonna need it together. So you're gonna start to put the Starburst inside of the powder. And what you do is once you put all of it inside the powder, you fold it in together. So you don't just mix it up, you fold it like this. You just, so now just grab a spoonful with your spatula. Oh, this looks like a brain.
Here.
Oh my god, that's heavy. Connect it. Connect it. Transfer. Very hot. Over. Hold on. Oh, this is good. Let it. Careful because it's really hot. So let me get this all in there for you.
warm.
We're just gonna stick all of it in the bowl and then we'll start to knead it together. Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. But once you got all of it inside, it's going to look like this with it in the middle. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna knead it together. So you're gonna start to fold it all together. Just get the powder, fold it in.
It's kind of like pancakes.
Move your bowl, fold it in. There you go. And that's a wrap. Avery's gonna be contestant number 1, taste tester. Mmm.
Pretty hot.
It's warm, yeah. What do you think?
Yeah.
Warrior, you're a warrior.
How many give it? A 10 out of blank.
What would you say? 1 out of 10, how good is it?
How good is it? 10 out of 12.
Woo! Wait, what?
What? 10 I thought it was
10 out of 12 and she gives us a 10. And this is Miss Lila Bell.
3 years old.
3 years old. Now you want to try it? Your turn. How good is it? Is it 1 out of 5? How good is it? 1 being bad, 5 being so yummy.
It tastes like candy.
She says it tastes like candy, so that'll be a 5. Woo! I'll take it.
Get the other half.
Just like.
It's almost like the dog. The game.
That was pretty yummy. I almost bit your finger off though.
Like if you want more videos for a woo woo, I'm here woo woo. And if you want to comment down of other things we can do together, comment down below what other things we can do together.
For any more challenges you want us to do, anything you want us to try, comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe.